Welcome to Study Loop.
This is the answer to Chapter 22, problem number 48 from the Smith Organic Chemistry textbook. And this problem is asking us to treat ethyl butanoate, which is an ester, with several different reagents and to predict the products from each of these reactions. And so thionyl chloride is not going to do anything to this ester, so there will be no reaction for A. For B, with an acid, remember that we're going to protonate the oxygen of the carbonyl, the double bonded oxygen. We're going to protonate it, and then another water molecule that is floating about in the solution will nucleophilically attack the carbonyl carbon, which is now extra electrophilic because that oxygen has been protonated. And so a tetrahedral intermediate will form, and then the ethyl, really it's an ethoxide. The ethoxide will depart. And so that's going to give us butanoic acid and ethanol. And then C, D, and E are all going to react in a similar fashion. So C, D, and E, we're treating this ester with 3 different nucleophiles. So each of these nucleophiles is going to attack the electrophilic carbon in the carbonyl. The tetrahedral intermediate will form. The oxygen will close back down. The electrons will add back in to reform that double bond. And the other oxygen with the ethyl group on it will be kicked out. And so for each of these, we're going to split, we're going to hydrolyze the ester, basically. And so for C, since it's a basic environment, we're going to get the carboxylate ion and ethanol. For D, we're going to end up rather than so when OH is the nucleophile, we end with the carboxylate ion. With these 2 nitrogen nucleophiles, we end with the amide variants, because remember the nitrogen has added to the carbonyl. So for D, we get the amide and ethanol, and then for E, we get the secondary amide and ethanol. And so that is the answer to Chapter 22, problem number 4.